Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, cricket is where we bowl off, as despite his recent struggles, opener John Campbell and countryman Jamaican Blackwood have been included in the West Indies' 15-member squad for their upcoming two-test series in New Zealand. Veteran Chris Gayle has, however, been left out of the T20 squad for that three-match series. More from Jermaine Brown.
John Campbell's inclusion in the West Indies squad for the upcoming two-test series against host New Zealand has come as a surprise following the opener's dismal showing with the bat on their recent tour of England. Campbell scored an underwhelming 84 runs at an average of just 16.80 from the three matches he played in July. Additionally, he averages just 25.47 after 9 test matches. But Cricket West Indies lead selector Roger Harper has defended the 25-year-old Jamaican's inclusion.
At the end, the panel decided that, they'll give John Campbell another opportunity. So, to prove that, he can give him another opportunity to really cement his place in the team and show what he can really do. But, it is an area that has been concerning us for a while, the opening pair and that number 3 spot, because that's where you depend on, you depend on those partnerships, your first and second wicket partnership, to really build a platform on which the team can build big totals. So, we've tried to address this, but a lot of discussion went into it, but they decided to give John Campbell another go.
Campbell will be joined by compatriot Jamaican Blackwood, who has been rewarded for topping the Windies run-getters in England with 211 runs at an average of 35.17 after being recalled to the team. Meanwhile, Trinidadian Darren Bravo and the Guyanese pair of Shimron Hetmeyer and all-rounder Keema Paul, who all opted out of the England series, have also been included in the Jason Holder-led Test squad. There is no place, however, for the out-of-form, stylish Barbadian batsman Shea Hope, who struggled on the recent tour of England and has averaged just 19 with the bat over the past 2 seasons. Another Jamaican, Nkrumah Bonner, is among 6 reserves selected for the tour. In the meantime, top Jamaican all-rounder Andre Russell and Trinidadian batsmen Lendl Simmons and Evan Lewis have opted out of the T20 squad for the tour. There is, however, a recall for experienced Grenadian wicketkeeper batsman Andre Fletcher, while Barbadian all-rounder Kyle Mayers has earned a maiden call-up. All-rounders Fabian Allen and Rovman Powell, along with batsmen Brandon King and pacers Sheldon Cottrell and O'Shane Thomas, are the other Jamaicans included in the Kieran Pollard-led 14-man squad. Veteran Chris Gayle has been left out of the squad. However, Harper has sought to assure that the Jamaican remains in their World Cup plans.
Again, Chris Gayle, like Sunil Narang, is a world-class player. We know what he's capable of. So going forward, he will be considered and is being considered and will be considered going forward as well.
The West Indies will play New Zealand in 3 T20 internationals set for November 27, 29 and 30, as well as 2 test matches to be played from December 3 to 7 and December 11 to 15. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.